So friends, if your concern is of the lawsuit, like I couldn't tell you how many times people book their reading with me in such a alarming state. Nipun, there has been a arrest warrant which has been issued on my name. Nipun, I am a victim of a bitter rivalry with a rival gang, and anything can happen anytime. So if you are foreseeing, like God forbid, unfortunately, if you are amidst all these kind of situation, what all are the tried and tested remedies from Vedic astrology which you can consider doing? So friends, never ever underestimate the power of the Bij mantra. Your sixth house and the sixth lord is the planet which gives you capacity to fight back. So whatsoever planet has a rulership over your sixth house, do the Bij mantra chanting of that planet. Second thing is that, see, obviously if you live in India and you have access to visit like goddess Baglamukhi temple, goddess Baglamukhi Mata Pidambari is very powerful in destroying the enemies. And see, when we say destruction of the enemies, it does not happen that it is going to harm someone. It's like it affects the mind and those thoughts which are troublesome for you or against you. It works more on that plane. So if that is possible, otherwise friends, empowering Saturn becomes very important. All the court cases, legal notices generally comes because of the planet Saturn. I am saying this thing right now for the Aries Lagna and the Leo Lagna. For Aries Lagna, Saturn is right now 12th house, and for the Leo Lagna, Saturn is in the 8th house. So generally we say friends, donating the black sesame, mustard oil, and also if you can donate the footwear to the needy people. Footwear on Saturdays can be considered. You need a very empowered Mars. So the Bij mantra of the planet Mars, Om Angarkai Namah, you can also do the chanting or mantra of that as well. Like donating the red lentils on Tuesdays can be considered for empowering your this planet Mars. And we generally say like you need proper and right support of the luck as well, right? So for that, empowering the energy of the planet Jupiter, Bij mantra of the Jupiter, Om Guruve Namaha, or the Jupiter Gayatri as well, you can do that. And donating the yellow things on Thursday, empower Jupiter. So if you will do all these tried and tested remedy friends, so it will definitely safeguard your interest. It will protect you from any of the harm of the court case or lawsuit.